In this video, I'd like to talk to you about how to use technology in your classroom, but not necessarily about how to use technology. The SAMR model was created by Dr. Ruben Puntadera and has been around for at least 5 years and is a framework that teachers can use to try to help them get the most learning out of the technology that they have. What I've tried to do here is tie the SAMR model in with some Bloom's taxonomy to help add more depth and relevance to it. I'm also going to tie the SAMR model into some Google tools to help make it easier for us to apply it. The first level of the SAMR model is substitution, and here you just substitute in a technology for something that wasn't necessarily tech-rich. This sort of thing typically happens for remember or perhaps understand types of tasks and is considered to be an enhancement action to your lesson or task. An example in a language or social studies class would be to use Google Docs to write the essay instead of by having it written by hand or by a regular word processor. In math or science, it might involve using a spreadsheet, perhaps Google Sheets, to record data. Augmentation is the second part of enhancement, and in this stage you modify or add to the task using technology. Typically, this would be an understand or an apply sort of task when thinking in Bloom's taxonomy terms. An example from the world of written work would be to share a Google Doc with a peer or a teacher to allow for comments. In the world of numbers, the spreadsheet could be formatted to highlight similarities or differences in the numbers, or perhaps even sorted. The spreadsheet, if in Sheets, could also be shared for comment. Modification is where the transformation starts to occur. We are now working in analyze and evaluate sorts of tasks, and here we start to really change the assignment with technology. Using our Google suite of tools here is where our students wouldn't be just sharing the work for comment, but instead it is a collaboration task right from the outset. We also start moving away from more traditional media that mimic paper and to more digital media, things like digital image creation for mind maps, audio creation, and video creation. Redefinition is the last step, and it works with create-type tasks from Bloom's taxonomy. Here we are using technology to do things that just couldn't be done before. For me, this also involves making things real for the students by involving individuals or groups from outside the school community. Here, we are making a real-world project that involves either presenting information to the world on YouTube or a Google site, or something interactive like a Google form. Using technology to give and take to outside people can really take tasks, assignments, projects to the next level for students. Going whole world might seem a little bit too big in some cases, so how about just reaching out to our fellow CASE or IBSC schools and still give our students a look outside their own lives and environments? So, what is SAMR? SAMR is a way for you to help your students move beyond the basic concepts to being able to create, interact with others, and analyze new information using some of those concepts you were going to cover anyhow. There is a ton of information on the internet about the SAMR model, and quite a bit of it specialized and specific for different subject areas and grade levels, making it easier for you to bring it into your practice. Dr. Puntadera's materials are Creative Commons licensed via his website, so you're free to use it as you see fit. If you'd like to give it a try or discuss this, or really any other Crescent technology with me, just let me know. As always, I hope you have a great day.